Hello, beautiful people. Thank you for tuning in to my channel again. On this segment, and what I'd like to share with you is the immanent world versus the transcendent world. Let me usher in the Most High Source, God our Father who art in heaven, Divine Ascended Master Christ, our archangels, Divine Holy Spirit, purest of the white light, loving ancestors, and our ascended DNA masters. Watch over this channel and all those who are listening and tuning in to this channel and the sound of my voice. And I hope and pray that you would watch over them throughout the Christmas Eve, and they have a blessed, peaceful, prosperous Christmas Day, and to the new year, the blessed holiday season. Watch over, protect them, keep them. So it be. May the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable unto thee, O Lord, my God. The immanent world versus the transcendent, infinite world. The world is an appearance or perception of construct, illusion of reality. It's actually formless. Be ye in the world, but not of the world. How you are on the inside reflects how you are on the outside. That's how you will be looked at in the immanent form of this world. The transcendent form of the infinite world is we ask that you be infinite, you be of infinite creativity and love with intention and compassion. A spiritual awakening is a process of becoming aware of your true nature, of the self and reality. When experiencing a spiritual awakening, you begin to understand nothing external can bring you true happiness. It is a transition of awakening to a higher level of consciousness. Your mind, body, and emotions are energetically structured. You will start questioning the way you live, your habits, your beliefs, and wonder what is the purpose of your life, and why are you really on the earth. Energetic structure transforms to a body of a higher consciousness, and it will begin to shift. that's in the transcendent, infinite world. Your tremendous surge of meditation and prayer is to get you to a higher level of spiritual awareness that is centered of peace within yourself, to heal and to let go of ego and past trauma experiences. And it's to help you gain more wisdom and have vision of loving truly and more peace among each other, to forgiveness, which is so important amongst our fellow beings. Learn to forgive. This was short on this video. I appreciate you listening in and tuning in and hearing what is being said. I was speaking about the imminent world that we live in now in this 3D matrix. But as I mentioned in another video, you think that there is only one pie, but there is an infinite abundance of the pie, and that is the infinite, transcendent, infinite world. By shifting your consciousness to more of a spiritual, cosmic awareness, may the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable unto thee, O God. Thank you once again for listening. I am sending you peace, love, and light of Christ. Have a blessed rest of your evening. Enjoy the holiday season once again. Thank you.